Everybody seems to love packing cubes, so it's about time that I try some out. I went to 3 of my favorite stores to try and find my very own set. My first stop was REI. This is the store where I usually go to buy my beanies and water bottles, and this massive place has everything from bikes to boots to backpacks. It also has a pretty good selection of packing cubes. I really liked these ones from Cotopaxi, but they were just a little too expensive for my first go. They also had ones from Thule, Patagonia, and even REI's in-house brand, but nothing was really grabbing me, so I decided to move on to my second stop, Target. After perusing the books and video games, I found my way to the travel aisle, and in true Target fashion, the shelves were kind of a mess. As you can see, Target has a limited selection of travel gear from their in-house brand Open Story. While these don't look bad, I do think that I can find something a little higher quality for around the same price. So now, it's on to my last stop, the Container Store. I often dream of having an extremely organized apartment, and this would be the store to go to if I wanted to make that happen. But today, I'm still on the hunt for packing cubes, and the travel section of the Container Store is actually really good. They carry bags from brands like CalPack and Rains, and they offer packing accessories from brands like Eagle Creek and Thule. But the item that really caught my eye was the compression packing cubes from their in-house brand. So these are the ones that I'm going to buy today. So this pack of compression cubes is pretty basic. It comes with 2 different sizes, one small and one large, and this retails at $30. And as you can see here, the small packing cube is going to be for things like socks and underwear, and it comes in at 7 inches in width, 10 inches in height, and 4 inches in depth. And then when you compress it, it will actually go down to 1 3/4 inch in depth. So some quick first impressions here. These are actually made with polyester, and it feels pretty durable to the touch. These zippers feel pretty high quality. Feels like you can unzip and zip these pretty easily. And it feels like a pretty good purchase so far. And next we have this larger packing cube. This is where you're going to put extra pants, t-shirts, anything like that for your trip. And this is going to come in at 9.5 inches in width, 13.5 inches in height, and 4 inches in depth. And just like with the smaller packing cube, that's going to compress down to 1 3/4 inch in depth. So for this video, I want to try packing a couple bags. I have this bag from Magenta, as well as this backpack from Day Owl. And what I'd like to do is use both packing cubes to pack for a 5-day trip with the Magenta bag. And then after that, I'm going to just use the smaller packing cube and try out packing for a 3-day trip with the Day Owl backpack. So we'll start out with my Seinfeld George Costanza t-shirt. And this shirt has his quote, "It's not a lie if you believe it." And Seinfeld's probably my favorite show of all time. Next, I have a t-shirt from one of my favorite movies, and that's Jurassic Park. As you can see, Mr. DNA here on the front. I got this shirt from Mondo. If you don't know Mondo, they do really great vinyl reissues of soundtracks, as well as action figures, posters, and all sorts of different stuff related to movies. And next is a t-shirt from the band Yo La Tengo. I picked this up at their Chicago show a few years back. And, they're one of the best live bands around. They've been around for 40 plus years. If you don't know them, definitely check them out. See one of their shows. Next up is a shirt from Saturdays, and this is a clothing brand from New York City, originally called Saturdays Surf. The guy who started this actually has a really cool YouTube series called Dirt that can be found on the Huckberry channel. And the show is kind of like a hybrid food travel show, but it's really high quality. They do a really great job with it, and you should check it out. Next up, I have these track pants from Adidas. I really like these because I can wear them out during the day like a normal outfit, but I could also lounge around in these when I'm not out. So they're really good, versatile pair to bring along, especially when you're packing really light. So now I'm going to unzip this packing cube, pack everything in there, and then we'll try and compress it before packing everything in the smaller cube next. So now we'll take a look at some of the items going in the smaller compression cube, which will include my Gap boxer briefs, and then I'll also be bringing along these Bombas socks, which have held up really, really well. And I gotta say, I'm starting to understand why people like packing cubes. There's something really satisfying about fitting everything in here snugly and then, compressing it up. And yeah, I have to say I'm a fan so far. So now that we've packed up both of the cubes, I'm going to add a couple more items that I would bring on a 5-day trip. And that's going to include my toiletries bag. This one's from Away. I really like this one. It's actually more of a tech bag, but I kind of repurposed it for toiletries, but I like using it. Also, I have this handmade pouch, and this is where I'm actually going to put all of my tech accessories. So like my charger, my headphones, anything like that will go in there. So now I have the bag out, and let's pack everything up. And I gotta say, that is really easy. Everything fits in there pretty perfectly when you're using packing cubes. And this magenta bag is actually a personal item only size, so you can use this under seat in front of you. But what I also want to do is try and just pack everything I need for a 3-day trip in a smaller compression cube. So I'm going to repurpose everything, and then we're going to try and pack this in just a backpack. So if you're going on a shorter trip, like a 3-day weekend where you only really need a backpack instead of this larger bag for a trip that's going to be a little longer, like 5 days, we'll see if compression cubes can still come in handy for that. And as you can see here, it actually fits pretty nicely in the smaller packing cube. So I brought along 2 t-shirts, 2 pairs of underwear, and 2 pairs of socks for this long weekend trip. And then again, I'll bring out the toiletries bag, and I'll bring out the tech pouch as well, and we'll try and pack up this backpack. So overall, I do have to say, I think I like packing cubes. These seem like they can be a really great resource when trying to pack light for a trip. So if you've been hesitant to buy some like me, I do have to say these work pretty well, and I do suggest checking some out.